Choosing the best spray paint gun ensures smooth, even coverage, faster application, reduced overspray, and professional quality finishes on every project. My today's video is about top 5 best spray paint guns that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tilswall Paint Sprayer Shark 800 HVLP Spray Paint Gun. This spray paint gun is a versatile solution for both DIY enthusiasts and home renovation projects, combining power, convenience, and precision in one package. Its innovative side-fill design makes refilling quick and mess-free, allowing you to keep working without removing the paint container. With support for multiple paint types and a viscosity capacity of up to 120 dns, it handles everything from latex and varnish to oil-based coatings with ease. The 4 brass nozzles and 3 spray patterns provide excellent flexibility, making it simple to switch between detailed furniture work and large walls or fences. The lightweight split-body design, shoulder strap, long hose, and extended power cord significantly reduce fatigue while improving mobility. A generous 1,300 milliliters paint container and adjustable flow control ensure smooth, efficient coverage with minimal waste. Backed by a complete accessory kit and responsive after-sales support, this paint sprayer delivers reliable performance, professional-looking finishes, and exceptional value for homeowners and hobbyists alike. Now our second product is Work Neon Paint Sprayer for house painting. This 800W HVLP paint sprayer delivers an impressive balance of power, precision, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for both DIY users and home improvement enthusiasts. Its high-performance motor produces consistent air pressure and an even spray pattern, resulting in smooth, professional-looking finishes with minimal streaks or overspray. The large 1,200 milliliters detachable container reduces refill interruptions, making it ideal for painting walls, fences, cabinets, and furniture. The included 4 nozzle sizes offer outstanding versatility, handling everything from thin stains to thicker enamel and latex paints with support for up to 120 dns viscosity. 3 adjustable spray patterns and a flow control knob provide excellent accuracy, allowing users to customize paint output for different surfaces while reducing waste. Toll-free assembly and simple cleaning make setup and maintenance hassle-free, even for beginners. Combined with useful accessories like paint filters, cleaning tools, and a detailed manual, this paint sprayer offers reliable performance, efficient coverage, and exceptional value for a wide range of painting projects. Our third product is Mondelez Cordless Paint Sprayer. This cordless paint sprayer is an excellent option for DIY homeowners and professionals who already use DeWalt 20V Max batteries. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of power cords, providing greater mobility for painting walls, fences, ceilings, furniture, and doors. The upgraded motor with built-in temperature protection enhances durability while safeguarding both the tool and battery during extended use. Operating at 40,000 revolutions per minute, the sprayer delivers smooth, consistent coverage and significantly reduces painting time compared to traditional brushes or rollers. The adjustable flow control, 3 spray patterns, and 4 durable brass nozzles make it easy to tackle everything from detailed projects to large surfaces with precision. A unique dust-blowing function helps prepare surfaces for a cleaner, more professional finish. Assembly is straightforward, and the included cleaning tools simplify maintenance, reducing the risk of nozzle clogging. With a generous 1,000 milliliters paint container and a complete accessory kit, this paint sprayer offers convenience, versatility, and reliable performance for a wide range of home improvement projects. Now number 4, HomeRite Super Finish Max HVLP Paint Sprayer. The HomeRite Super Finish Max Paint Sprayer is a reliable and versatile tool designed for DIY users who want professional quality results across a wide range of projects. From fences and decks to furniture, cabinets, and trim work, it delivers smooth, even finishes that elevate the look of any surface. With its 450-watt motor, it provides consistent spraying power capable of handling everything from stains and sealers to latex paints, primers, enamels, and varnishes. One of its strongest features is its full adjustability. The air cap allows easy switching between horizontal, vertical, and round spray patterns, while the material flow control knob gives precise control over paint output, reducing waste and improving accuracy. The inclusion of 3 durable brass spray tips further enhances performance, ensuring better durability and smoother application compared to plastic alternatives. Backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive US-based customer support, this sprayer offers dependable performance, flexibility, and long-term value for both beginners and experienced DIY painters. And our last choice is Von Forn Paint Sprayer. The Von Forn 700W paint sprayer is a well-rounded and user-friendly tool designed to make DIY painting projects faster, cleaner, and more efficient. With 4 nozzle sizes ranging from 1mm to 3.0mm, it offers excellent versatility for different applications, whether you're working on furniture, fences, walls, doors, or outdoor garden sets. The 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, allow precise control for both broad coverage and detailed finishing. One standout feature is the dust-blowing function, which helps prepare surfaces by removing debris before spraying, resulting in a smoother and more professional finish. Cleaning is also simplified with a direct faucet connection that flushes out leftover paint quickly, saving valuable time after projects. The flow control knob provides accurate paint output adjustment, reducing waste while improving consistency. Tool-free assembly makes it beginner-friendly, while included accessories like filters, cleaning tools, and a viscosity cup enhance usability. Overall, it delivers solid performance, convenience, and value for home improvement users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.